Hi, my name is Dr. Sabrina Kimball, and I'm a naturopathic physician and acupuncturist practicing in the Seattle, Washington area. And I'm excited to talk to you about outlet dysfunction constipation. This is an especially tricky form of chronic constipation that can develop after you've had other issues with constipation for a number of years. And what we'll talk about the signs and symptoms of this commonly underdiagnosed and commonly undertreated condition, along with how to evaluate for it properly, including what special forms of imaging are required to diagnose this type of constipation, as well as who to see for help if you're not getting the answers that you need. And most importantly, how to put it all together so that you feel more empowered and comfortable in your body in managing kind of issues with constipation in your pelvic floor. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you there.